Hi, this is Grant with Full-Time Freedom RV. Today I'm going to be talking about composting toilet, and the one that I have is called Sea Head. So let's take a look at it. Here's the toilet, and I was looking for a solution for when we go boondocking so we don't have to use electricity or water, and this turned out to be the best model that was the most affordable. From what I've found after a lot of research, and I'm really happy with this. I built a little wooden base here and just sealed off the old toilet. I took the old RV toilet out and then just sealed it over, and then I just put a piece of wood here as a base, and then put the toilet on top, and I put Velcro underneath the toilet, Velcro strips, and then just attached it onto here. So yeah, it's not going anywhere in case, whenever we're towing it. So how you use this is you buy something simple like this aspen bedding or hamster bedding, or you could use peat moss. A lot of people don't recommend the peat moss because they said it kind of smells too strong. Or I believe you could use a coconut husk. There's a lot of different material that you can use. And you just take a few handfuls of this. And you put it inside of there. There, I'll lift this up. Okay, you just put it inside of there, and then whatever it's separated, so your liquids go here, the solids go there, and there's a nice little funnel, so there's no leaks. There's a sponge here, so it softly goes onto the bottle, and you could just change these with any gallon jugs. So just put that down. So after you go, there's the funnel there, and after you go to the bathroom, you'll close the lid, and you use this tool right here, and you just put it right in like that, and there's an arrow on it, and you just turn it 15 times. What this does is there's a wheel in there, and it spins around, so that material, that bedding material, it'll cover any of the solids, and it'll wick out the moisture, and then there won't be really any smell. I mean, after we use it, there's not really any smell after the material is covered, and even days and weeks later you can go and smell right in there, and I can't smell any waste smell. So with the urine, it's a little bit different. After you go to the bathroom, to avoid smell later, in case there's urine still in this tray here, I just use half water, half vinegar, or you can use Simple Green or anything like that, and I just give it a spray here. And then that helps to get rid of any of the odor that would linger behind. But really, it's not a big deal, and you can empty that, as frequently as you want, and you can just go and you could just dump that out in the grass with no problem. If you want, you could dilute it half with water, and then just dump it out in the grass. And then the same thing, I mean, with your waste there, later you could just bag it up and throw it away. Just, of course, follow any ordinances for the parks or, your local state or government, how they say to dispose of it. Then you just put the lid on here, and you could just shut it. It's high quality, built really well, and we're really happy with it. It doesn't take up much space. Even in a small room like this, there's still enough room to get around. There's a little window here so you could see when the tank is full. It comes with a venting system too. We weren't really worried because we have a fan in here, so in case we need to, we could use that. Or you can vent it outside if you want. So that's up to you. And then toilet paper. You can use toilet paper, but you should just use little sheets maybe, because it could jam up that turning device, I suspect. We just throw it in the, just have a little bin there with a lid, and you can just throw it in there if you like, and then toss that every few days. So it's a great solution, saves on water, saves on electricity, and you can go boondocking as long as you want with something like this with no worries. You don't have to worry about cleaning out your black tank or emptying it or anything like that. So I'll put a link in the video description to this product. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.